돼지의 꿈, 이포니 거품이 넘친 밤. 그날 밤, 가족이 모두 잠든 아주 조용한 시간이었어. That night, when the whole family was asleep, it was very quiet. 부엌 창문이 살짝 열려 있었지. The kitchen window was slightly open. 그 틈으로 꿀땡 6마리가 하나씩 들어왔어. Through the small gap, the 6 pigs came in, one by one. 발소리는 없었고 아무도 깨지 않았지. There were no footsteps, and no one woke up. 부엌에는 불이 꺼져 있었고 식기세척기만 혼자서 움직이고 있었어. The kitchen lights were off, and only the dishwasher was moving by itself. 식기세척기 안에서는 물이 돌고 있었고 거품이 점점 차오르고 있었지. Inside the dishwasher, water was spinning, and bubbles were slowly filling it up. 그때 꿀댕이들이 문을 열어버렸어. Then the pigs opened the door. 문이 열리자마자 거품이 한꺼번에 확 쏟아져 나왔어. As soon as the door opened, the bubbles burst out all at once. 바닥을 덮고 싱크대를 넘고 부엌을 가득 채웠지. They covered the floor, spilled over the sink, and filled the entire kitchen. 거품은 멈추지 않고 계속 나왔어. The bubbles did not stop. 문을 지나 거실로 흘러가고 벽을 따라 번졌어. They flowed past the doorway, into the living room, spreading along the walls. 꿀땡 6마리는 쏟아져 나오는 거품을 타고 한꺼번에 거실로 밀려갔어. The 6 pigs rode the rushing bubbles and were pushed into the living room together. 거실 한가운데에서 거품은 산처럼 쌓였어. In the middle of the living room, the bubbles piled up like a mountain. 꿀땡들은 거품 위로 올라가고 미끄러지고 서로 가까이 모였어. The pigs climbed onto the bubbles, slid around, and gathered close together. 6마리는 거품 위에 나란히 올라서서 빙글빙글 돌다가 한 곳에 모여 앉았어. All 6 stood side by side, on top of the bubbles, spun around, and then sat together in one place. 누가 먼저랄 것도 없이 다 함께 놀고 있었지. Without anyone leading, they were all playing together. 노란 모자를 쓴 꿀땡은 거품 위에서 균형을 잡았고, the pig with the yellow hat balanced carefully on the bubbles. 초록 모자를 쓴 꿀땡은 거품 속으로 몸을 숨겼다가 다시 나왔어. The pig with the green hat hid inside the bubbles and popped back out again. 분홍 모자를 쓴 꿀땡은 거품이 흘러내리는 걸 가만히 바라봤고, the pig with the pink hat quietly watched the bubbles flow down. 빨간 모자를 쓴 꿀땡은 그 위를 힘껏 뛰어넘었지. And the pig with the red hat jumped strongly over the bubbles. 파란 모자를 쓴 꿀땡은 거품 위에 앉아 잠시 쉬었고, the pig with the blue hat sat on the bubbles to rest for a moment. 보라색 모자를 쓴 꿀땡은 그 옆에서 모두를 바라보고 있었어. And the pig with the purple hat stood beside them, watching everyone. 바닥에 쌓인 거품이 천천히 줄어들기 시작했지. The bubbles on the floor slowly began to shrink. 산처럼 쌓였던 거품은 점점 낮아지고 바닥이 다시 보였어. The mountain of bubbles grew lower and lower, and the floor appeared again. 꿀땡들은 거품 위에서 자연스럽게 내려왔지. The pigs naturally stepped down from the bubbles. 그때 부엌 쪽에서 아주 작은 빛이 새우며들었어. Just then, a small light slipped in from the kitchen. 꿀땡들은 서로를 바라보고 고개를 끄덕이듯 움직였어. The pigs looked at one another and moved as if nodding. 6마리는 거실을 가로질러 부엌으로 달려갔고, all 6 ran across the living room toward the kitchen. 열려있던 창문을 향해 한 마리씩 빠르게 나갔어. When the last pig's tail disappeared, the window became quiet again. 아침이 되었을 때 집안에는 아무 흔적도 없었어. When morning came, there was no trace inside the house. 거품도 없고 돼지도 없고 처음부터 아무 일도 없었던 것처럼. No bubbles, no pigs, as if nothing had ever happened. 하지만 그날 밤 어딘가에서는 분명히 돼지들이 함께 놀고 있었을 거야. But that night, somewhere, the pigs were surely playing together.